Amid rising concerns about fuel supply in the country, several oil giants have issued clarifications stating that there is no shortage and calling such rumors completely false and assuring that supply remains normal and sufficient. The statement comes at a time when global oil supplies are disrupted due to Iran's chokehold of the Strait of Hormuz amid the ongoing Middle East crisis. On the other hand, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has assured that there is a sufficient stock of petrol and diesel in the country. Domestic production of LPG has been stepped up and all refineries are operating at the highest capacity. The government has dismissed media reports claiming changes in LPG cylinder booking rules. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has clarified that no such revisions have been made. The existing system remains unchanged, allowing consumers to book their next LPG cylinder 25 days after delivery of the previous one. Meanwhile, Indian oil companies Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited and Indian Oil Corporation Limited have dismissed fuel shortage rumors and assured that India has ample fuel reserves and supply chains are running normal. The oil companies have also advised customers not to be misled by rumors or resort to panic buying.